Hi, this is Meera Deosthale, and you are watching me on Telefilms.
Okay, ma'am. So it's been like 1.5 years you have been on off screen, and people wants to see you back on screen. So what do you want to say about it?
Um, I'm also waiting कि कुछ अच्छा materialize हो और मैं बहुत जल्दी आपके screen पे आऊँ. But having said that, like I said, I was really well this year, and my immunity had taken a setback. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा time लगा to work on myself and all of those things. And yeah, so I think I'm going to be a little aggressive now about uh, getting good opportunities, and I will be back soon.
Okay, so talking about your serial Udan, people knows you about Chakur. So tell us something about your early days struggle.
अर्ली डे स्ट्रगल तो कुछ नहीं थे, टचवुड, एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर इट. बट I have been very focused since the time I came to Bombay. I used to give a lot of auditions, and I have been lucky enough कि इतना ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना पड़ा या इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल मुझे महसूस नहीं करना पड़ा. आई गॉट द राइट काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एट द राइट टाइम, and I was smart enough to grab onto them, and I got Dilli Wali Thakur Girls. From there I got Udan, and Udan has been life changing for me, and after that it was Vidya, and now I'm here.
Okay, so how does it feel when people recognize you by your character about this Chakur? So how does it feel for you?
It feels very special. Honestly, मैं बिल्डिंग में भी जब उतरती हूँ ना तो बच्चे भी ऐसे कहते हैं चकोर दीदी ऐसा करके बुलाते हैं. तो इट्स स्पेशल दैट अ कैरेक्टर वाज सो फेमस कि लोग उस नाम से एड्रेस करते रादर देन नोइंग. Or maybe actually people should know Meera also. Hopefully they will. But it's special, and it's a blessing only that people know Chakor and they address me, अरे चकोर जा रही है देखो ऐसे. So
Okay, so it's been like 1.5 years. So
yeah.
what is more easy to for a newcomer to get a role, for an experienced girl like you to get a role? What is more easy?
I don't know right now. Newcomers for sure, because अभी budgets और जिस तरह से after COVID, the budgets have crunched, and so obviously you cannot spend a lot on an actor on their budgets. So yes, that is a plus point for people who are coming in new. They are ready to work for lesser pays because obviously, and people who are experienced, I think they have to wait more. And but what's meant to work out works out. मतलब फिर आप कुछ भी कह लो.
Okay, so talking about last 2 years, there is one word which is going on and on and on, which is nepotism, and you have worked so well. So nepotism came in your career.
नहीं, मेरे तो कैसे आ सकता है ना. आई कम फ्रॉम गुजरात. आई एम अ गर्ल फ्रॉम बड़ौदा, एंड व्हेन आई केम इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, my parents did not know anyone. I did not know anyone. I remember I used to Google the addresses of production houses and go and ask, do you have an audition? Can I give an audition? So that's how I have given my auditions and worked my way up. But other than that, I think टीवी में तो नेपोटिज्म का कोई चांस नहीं होता. अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि इफ़ आई विल अप्लाई वर्किंग विद द सेम प्रोड्यूसर्स दैट आई हैव वर्कड विद इन द पास्ट, एंड दे वुड गिव मी मोर वेटेज टूवर्ड्स द कैरेक्टर, I don't think that will be called nepotism. So nepotism does not apply here.
Okay, so talking about your co-star Vijendra sir,
हाँ जी.
you and chemistry की मैं बात करूँ तो काफी अच्छी chemistry रही है. So आप chemistry कितनी मिस करते हो?
I of course it was fun working with him. We've worked for 3.5 years together, so that's like a long time, and you have to understand each other to be cordial and जो भी है, तो with him तो it was a very friendly bond and our chemistry was quite organic. ऐसा नहीं था कि we had to really work, but I think one thing that he and I had in common was team spirit. And I think everyone on that set, on that show had that team spirit. तो कई बार एक इंसान जब थोड़ा सा तकलीफ में हो या थोड़ा पीछे छूट रहा हो, तो दूसरा इंसान साथ में उसको खींच ही लेता था अपने साथ. सब एक साथ आगे चलते थे, तो इट वाज लाइक दैट.
Okay, so it's been like 1.5 years. So what are you looking forward now?
I am looking forward to do some good work and some good shows. Yeah, that's what.
Okay, so Christmas is coming up, New Year is coming up. So what are your plans for Christmas and New Year?
My plans are to stay at home and celebrate Christmas and New Year's at home with my family and friends. And I hope कि आप सबके भी ऐसे ही plans हैं. I really hope that you're not traveling and planning to go out and party in clubs and stuff. Although government वो सब रोक लगा ही देगी, but still, I mean, I'm just saying for the people who want to listen to me, please stay at home and party. And wish you all a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.